was finding the first sample proportion, and I got 0.743.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got.
Yep.
And then for the next one, I got 0.712.
Yep.
Yep.
And number 5, isn't it the last one?
That's what I got.
Okay. And then number 6 is negative 0.123 to 0.185.
Yeah.
What I got.
Okay. And then I always get this confused. Somebody else take over number 7.
I did fail to reject.
Okay, me too.
Yeah.
And the alpha, right? Fail to reject alpha.
Is
They-
it alpha or is it O? Because you...
O is not. Like not like that's the.
O is like the original,
Yeah.
and
Oops.
then the H is the alternate, or you can.
The A is the alternate.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I always get mixed up. And then it's number 8.
So it was failed to reject the O, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then wouldn't it be there is insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion of females who can taste PTC is different than the true proportion of males?
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Okay. Number 9, I got true.
Uh-huh.
Number 10, I got the first one.
Yeah.
Proportion 1 is less than proportion 2. Okay, number 11, I got 0.141.
Yeah.
Number 2, I got 0.145.
Yep.
The z-score, I got negative 2.020.
Okay. So can you guys help me figure out like how to get that? Because I'm like really.
Yeah. Did you use the software or did you use the formula by hand?
I was gonna use the formula, or the software, but I didn't know what to put in for it. Do I put in the total of everything?
So what you're doing, that spreadsheet that you got pulled down that has like all the boxes and stuff, the X and the N.
Yep.
You're putting in the 2 different proportions, so X and N and then X and N for the problem. So for this one, it would be this one. It would be 16,713 as your X, and then N would be 11,8519. And then X for the second proportion would be 6155, and or I might have flipped that, but and then 42447. And once you input that and then change the ratio so it's P is less than P2, then the z-score will just be on the bottom of the page in the box. If that makes sense.
Kind of. So when I put in for X, so I put 1670.71.3 comma 6155.
I think
Okay.
you're on the wrong thing. So if you go to the bottom of the page, there's 3 different tabs. Click to proportion test.
Okay.
So, you know, at the bottom left.
Yeah. I can't find that on mine. Hold on.
That's weird. What is the title of your document?
There it is, right there.
Found it? Okay. Yeah. So now it should give you all the spots to put it in.
Well, that makes it way easier.
Yeah. A lot easier.
Courage pumped while he was inside
Okay. So are we good?
Yeah.
Number 13 was negative 2.020.
Okay. Yeah.
Number 14, isn't it to the left because it's less than?
That's what I put.
Okay. I didn't know if I needed to do something more for this one, so I just did 0.022. What did you guys get?
Oh, 1 second.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that then.
That's just the number that came up on the spreadsheet. But I changed it to less than, so it should be right.
0, 2, 0.
Yeah,
Wait, yeah, I got 0.0217 through the applet, but
What was it?
0.0217.
Yeah, and
Okay.
that's just 0.022 rounded.
Yeah, you're
So-
right.
That's perfect. So now we know that we can just use the applet or the Excel spreadsheet.
So,
Yes.
so this, so the p-value in the Excel, is that right?
Yes, that's right. As long as you change in the box where you can change stuff in the top left,
Uh-huh.
you need to change it to P is less than P.
Then we're okay. Okay. Good to know.
And then number 16.
We fail.
Yeah,
You
failed.
rejected, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's points. And then we could say, isn't it the first one? There's sufficient evidence to conclude. So what you guys got?
I got the third one.
Weekday.
Because aren't you doing like the null hypothesis, which is that they're equal?
Yeah. The null? Yeah. The null is that they're equal.
Okay. Yeah, I flipped that then.
I'm not sure, but
No, that makes sense. I was thinking of it the other way around.
yeah, that's why I wasn't sure which way it was.
Well, if we okay, there's sufficient evidence to conclude that the proportion of patients who have heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die is the same as the proportion of. No, because
Yeah, it'd be the first one.
yeah, I think it's the first one because the number 3 is saying that the weekday and weekend proportions are the same, and they're not.
Yeah.
We said that they're not, right?
Okay.
Unless I misread the data. I don't know. I might be wrong.
Yeah. That's fine. Okay.
All right, that's good for me. Are you guys all good?
Good.
Okay.